When it comes to cooking, oils are a kitchen staple. They influence the flavor, texture, and nutritional profile of your meals. However, not all oils are created equal. Rethinking your choice of cooking oil can have profound effects on your health, from reducing inflammation to supporting heart health and longevity. Here's why it's time to take a closer look at what's in your pantry. The basics of cooking. Cooking oils are primarily made up of fats, saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated. Each type has different effects on your body. The composition of these fats, along with how the oil is processed and used, determines its health impact. Saturated fats. Found in oils like coconut and palm, these are solid at room temperature and more stable for cooking. Monounsaturated fats. Found in olive and avocado oils, these are considered heart-healthy. Polyunsaturated fats. Found in vegetable and seed oils, these include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which must be balanced for optimal health. Common cooking oils and their risks. 1. Vegetable oils: soybean, corn, sunflower. Vegetable oils are often touted as heart-healthy due to their polyunsaturated fat content. However, these oils are typically rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation when consumed in excess. Moreover, they are often highly processed, using chemicals and high heat, which can create harmful trans fats. 2. Canola oil. While marketed as a healthy choice due to its low saturated fat content, canola oil is often genetically modified and heavily processed. During refining, high temperatures can cause oxidation, leading to the production of free radicals that may damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. 3. Palm oil. Although palm oil contains a mix of fats and is stable for high-heat cooking, its production raises environmental and ethical concerns. It's also often found in processed foods, which are associated with poor health outcomes. 4. Trans fats. Hydrogenated oils, often found in margarine and processed foods, are high in trans fats. These fats are linked to a higher risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Why processing matters. Most commercial oils are extracted using solvents and subjected to refining, bleaching, and deodorizing. These processes strip oils of beneficial nutrients like antioxidants and vitamins, and can introduce harmful compounds. The less processed an oil is, the healthier it tends to be. Choosing the right oils for cooking. 1. Olive oil. Best for low to medium heat cooking and for dressings. Benefits: rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Olive oil supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and protects against oxidative stress. 2. Avocado oil. Best for high heat cooking. Benefits: high smoke point and loaded with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, making it a versatile and healthy choice. 3. Coconut oil. Best for baking and high-heat frying. Benefits: contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which may support brain health and metabolism. However, it is high in saturated fat and should be consumed in moderation. 4. Ghee, clarified butter. Best for high-heat cooking and traditional recipes. Benefits: ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid beneficial for gut health. 5. Nut and seed oils, flaxseed and walnut. Best for dressings and low-heat applications. Benefits: high in omega-3 fatty acids, these oils support brain and heart health. However, they are not heat-stable and should not be used for frying. What to look for in cooking oil. Cold-pressed or expeller-pressed. These oils retain more nutrients because they are extracted without high heat. Unrefined. Minimally processed oils are closer to their natural state and free of harmful additives. Organic and non-GMO. Ensures the oil is free of harmful pesticides and genetically modified organisms. High smoke point. For high-heat cooking, choose oils like avocado oil or ghee to avoid the formation of harmful compounds. What to avoid. 1. Refined vegetable oils. Highly processed oils like soybean, canola, and corn are unstable at high heat and rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which can disrupt the omega-3 to omega-6 balance and promote inflammation. 2. Hydrogenated oils and trans fats. These fats, found in margarine and processed foods, are strongly linked to heart disease and other chronic conditions. 3. Rancid oils. Oils stored improperly or past their expiration date can oxidize, forming harmful free radicals. The return of traditional animal fats. While plant-based oils are commonly discussed, animal fats like lard and beef tallow are making a resurgence, with many reconsidering their health benefits. This guide explores why you should rethink your cooking fats, including both plant-based oils and animal-based options. 1. Lard, or rendered pork fat. Best for frying, roasting, and baking. Health profile. Lard is about 40% saturated fat, 45% monounsaturated fat, and 10% polyunsaturated fat, making it relatively stable at high heat. It contains oleic acid, the same heart-healthy fat in olive oil, and vitamin D when sourced from pasture-raised pigs. Considerations. Use high-quality, non-hydrogenated lard to avoid harmful trans fats. 2. Beef tallow, rendered beef fat. Best for high-heat frying, roasting, and sautéing. Health profile. Tallow is rich in saturated fats and contains small amounts of conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which may have anti-inflammatory and cancer-preventive properties. It is also heat-stable and nutrient-dense. Considerations. Opt for tallow from grass-fed cows for a better omega-3 to omega-6 ratio and added nutrients. 3. Duck fat. Best for roasting and frying. Health profile. Duck fat has a balanced composition of saturated and unsaturated fats, with a good dose of oleic acid. It imparts rich flavor to dishes and is relatively stable for medium to high-heat cooking. Considerations. Like lard and tallow, sourcing matters. Look for pasture-raised or free-range options. 4. Butter and ghee. Best for low to medium heat cooking, butter, and high heat cooking, ghee. Health profile. Butter contains saturated fat, trace amounts of vitamins A, D, E, and K, and butyrate, which supports gut health. Ghee, a clarified version of butter, removes milk solids, making it suitable for lactose-intolerant individuals and high-heat applications. Plant-based oils versus animal fats. What's healthier? The choice between plant-based oils and animal fats depends on your cooking methods and dietary preferences. Advantages of animal fats. High heat stability. Saturated fats in animal fats are less prone to oxidation, making them ideal for frying and roasting. Rich in nutrients. When sourced from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals, these fats provide fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, and beneficial fatty acids like CLA. Minimal processing. Traditional animal fats like lard and tallow are often minimally processed compared to refined vegetable oils. Advantages of plant-based oils. Variety of options. Oils like olive and avocado oil offer heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Omega-3 content. Flaxseed and walnut oils provide essential omega-3 fatty acids, though they are not suitable for high-heat cooking. Neutral flavor options. Oils like avocado and coconut oil are versatile for different culinary uses. Final thoughts. Rethinking your cooking oils and fats is about understanding their nutritional profiles, heat stability, and processing methods. While plant-based oils like olive and avocado oil offer great benefits, traditional animal fats like lard, tallow, and duck fat are nutrient-dense, flavorful, and stable for cooking. By diversifying your fat choices and prioritizing quality, you can enhance both the taste and healthfulness of your meals. Embrace a balanced approach to fats. Your body and taste buds will thank you.